Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how we can download and install Codex on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply open any browser and visit chatgpt.com/codex. Don't worry about the download link. I'll provide the download link in the description box. It is a coding agent powered by ChatGPT. So if you're looking for AI tool for your programming project, then you can use this tool. Now to download, simply click on download for Windows and it will download the installer file. Simply open the installer file, minimize the browser, and it will open Microsoft Store installation page. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once it gets installed, you will get the welcome screen. Now to use it, you have to continue with ChatGPT, or else if you have a OpenAI API key, then you can simply enter your API key. Once you are signed in, you are ready to use Codex on your Windows 11. If this method does not work for you, then you can install Codex from Microsoft Store. Simply open Microsoft Store and here type Codex. Select it from the search result and here you will find install button. Click on install. Once it gets installed, simply sign into the application and you are ready to use it. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.